Oh my God. Good morning. It is already noontime. Yeah, I locked it. Osashiburi minasama. Bakit ganito yung aking ano? So, oh my God. It feels like 4 p.m. already, but the truth is, it's still 12. Kaka 12 lang guys, as in. And here's my date today. Well, ano mag-flex na dyan. At soy ka sa amoy oh. It is how many degrees this morning?
13.
13? Oh, it's not that bad considering it is already
Daytime high is 13.
yeah, daytime high is 13. So for November it is like mid-November already. So we're not there yet sa winter. It's still autumn kaya pwede pa tayong magganito, mag sweater guys. Sweater. But I am feeling teary-eye na because parang teary-eye na kasi it's so cold. The wind is so cold. Dry na yung nagda-dry na aking eyes kaya I'm crying. Crying. At so dyan na yun. Huh? Yeah, it masakit. There's init but there's wind also. Look at my bag. Tapos may baon din akong tinapay. Kasi hindi pa kami kumakain. So I'm just going to buy some foodie sa convenience tsaka coffee. Ayun, so we're heading to Nagoya! Yay! Nagoya. And also I will be meeting my friends tonight. Girls night out. No boys. No boys allowed. So I'm gonna see you later guys. Bye. I miss you all. Friends. So we're done doing
Dili. Launa po ang kapin.
wala. I need to be there mga 4 o'clock lang sa so we're still here at Kae. We're done with our
Pwede
business.
tama to sa Wise Road.
Yeah, of course. We still have time. What time is it?
Launa po kapin.
It's still pretty early. So pupunta daw siya sa bike shop na YS Road. Before I used to like going there because I'm obsessed with buying gears for mountain biking. But now I'm not doing mountain bike anymore because hindi na kaya ng aking tuhod. Oldies na kaya I'm not gonna do so. But Rupi is still doing a little biking but not mountain biking. But yeah, nakaka-obsess talaga kasi ang gaganda ng mga gears doon. Guys, so I'm just waiting for Rupi dito sa we're in the subway by the way. So I just went in 7-Eleven to get some coffee because it is so dang cold and it's gonna be my first time trying out this coffee from Tuli's. Yeah, I always see this at the outlet but I never had the chance to get inside Tuli because ang daming tao. So this is like 150 yen. Ito na I don't know how many 500 ml na coffee from Tuli's but Ruki is going to the bathroom as usual so I'm just waiting for him here. Like I've said yung kanina, pupunta kami sa bike shop. Kasi gusto niya magpunta sa bike shop. Ayan na siya. So, grabe, walang tao dito sa subway. Here's the subway, but ayan. It's like a mall here sa subway, guys. Sa Kae pala kami. Ayan. Komedas. Wala pang dito nag-lunch, no? Ayan. Grabe, medyo mamahal yung mga baligya. Mga tinda pala nila dito. Ayan no, diba? Mga baligya. Yeah, it's kind of pricey here but pricey but affordable in a sense na meron ka namang trabaho, work here. So you could be able to buy. Ayan. Oh my god, mga skincare mura sa Kia. Wow, I like going there. Diba? Gara-gara ng subway ng Japan. So, yeah. Pero, we are going to go to the bike shop first. Alam, may massage pala dito. Oh, yan. Daming massage something dito. We're not yet hungry. Where are we going? Mochi. Maganda dito, ano, it's nice to walk here kaysa doon sa taas, diba? Because it's so freaking cold, guys. Unlike dito is centralized. Kaya, it is so... Kaya dito na lang kami dumaan sa subway. Grabe, no? Imagine, ito, up top nito is like buildings, no? Tapos may life din dito sa underground. What? So going eh! Diba? Parang ano, nasa inside ng mall ka, pero ang laki-laki ng mall. Kasi buong ano, parang buong Nagoya na may ganito. Sa underground nila. Tapos yun sa taas may mga buildings na nangyayari. O diba? May mga branded stuff na binibenta. Yeah, mga nangyayaring kaganapan here. So, yeah. Patis. Ola, I like that one. Oh. O, diba, winter na yung ano, yung get up ng manikin. Oo, doon saan eh? Puma. Ganda naman ng Puma, oh. Wow. Ito din, oh.
Golf.
Golf? We're not playing golf, bro. So, iranaywa. Guys, we are 3rd floor under. 4th floor under. 3rd floor under. Sa subway. Gives me anxiety kasi 'di ba paano kami escape ni Rookie if something happen, like apocalypse zombie. 'Di ba? What if there's apocalypse zombie? Then tanda na, where's the exit? Tanawa da, look. Wow, grabe 'di ba? Parang ano, mga 28 weeks later or 28 days later, wala lagi nagline dire sa tong line. Di tingin ni Mabli. I feel like wala manggutay ka na. Ambot. Nobody, diba? Tingnan nyo. Nobody is standing here except us. Doon. Pero dyan, merong naglaline. Pero kaming dalawa lang ni Rookie yung naglaline dito. Guys.
Parang na-smell ba?
Nana siya nagpakamot. Ganahan ko aron. Murag imuhang pahamot. Dudyan ka ba na? Guys, this is the stairway. Oh my God. Ginoo ko. Dosyo. Pataas ba? This is the... Kanina pa kami nag-akyat ng stairs. This is the 5th stair na inakyat namin. Oh my God. Hindi ko na kaya. Yung iba, merong escalator. Pero yung tatlo, walang escalator. Ito, ganito kahaba yung stair na inakyat namin. Sakit na ng tuhod ko, bro. Out. We're out. Grabe. We're not dito. Nobody's here. It's just me and Rookie. Diba pansin nyo, guys? Walang tao. Where did everybody go? It is a Saturday. Pero walang tao, diba? Wala. Nobody here. Welcome to Japan. Welcome to Japan where you only exist. Diba? Wala naman tao sa likuran ko. Saan naman yung mga tao? Si Rookie lang nandyan. Oh my God. Dosyo. Parang you feel like it's zombie apocalypse na, no? Yung Walking Dead. 28 weeks later. Yun yung feeling dito. Nobody here. It's just me walking. Wow, mga bridal na shop. We have bridal shops here. Ayan. Diyan pupunta si Rookie sa Wise. Ayan. Hi. Road. Ayan. Daming mga bike inside pero wala pa ring tao. Where is everybody? here at 7-Eleven. So this is my lunch, guys. Just going to whisper.
Hindi ang tuna.
Unsa na? What are you eating? This is my lunch. Unsa na?
Mustard mayonnaise eh.
Di mo hindi. Tuna. This is my favorite. I used to eat this before together with yung may maliliit na isda. Tapos, of course, coffee is life. Diba? Ayan. Tapos may chicken. Kain tayo. Itadagmas. Ayan, oh.
A few moments later.
Hey friends, we are home and I have changed outfit. Yeah, I have changed outfit. So I'm just waiting for Lota. It's almost 6 na. And we need to be out like 6:20. Hopefully, nandito na siya. You can see the towel from the background. It's fine, but I'm so ready and na-feel na nimo. So, sana nandito na siya para makapag-start na kami now because we already have 30 minutes left. Ayan, nandito na siya.
Nakipag-away na sana eh.
Hi, YouTube! Hello! Diba? Masashiburi, minasang.
Kliyente. Mga kliyente.
Yes! Diba?
Ayun lang sa amin.
So, here's the ever-famous
Malaki rin pala yung steak nila.
ni Shanta. Lagot ka sa akin mamaya, Shanta. Ayan. Wow! Parang masarap.
Diba? Ayun talaga maniwala sa akin. Kita niyo sa amin. Diba ko nakikinisip ko?
Okay na? Hello!
Okay lang siya ko kapapa.
Nani May! Rika May! Luta May! Comes my foodie. This is garlic cut steak. Yan. Uishi. Pati sa kanila, ganun din yung kinukuha namin. Diba? Bongga. Lahat-lahat na garlic steak. Diba, Dino? Lahat-lahat na. 5 kami, tapos pare-pareho yung in-order namin. Diba? Itadakimasu. Tapos we also got some salads and sa akin broccoli. Corn soup. Ayan, diba?